Ratan Tata, born on December I. Ratan Tata, born on December I, is an Indian industrialist, philanthropist, and former chairman of Tata Sons, the holding company of the Tata Group. He is widely recognized as one of India's most influential business leaders. Tata was born into a prominent Parsi family in Mumbai, India. His family has a long history of entrepreneurship and philanthropy. He completed his early education in Mumbai and then pursued his higher studies at Cornell University and Harvard Business School in the United States. After completing his education, Tata joined the Tata Group where he initially worked on the shop floor of Tata Steel, one of the group's companies. Over the years, he gained valuable experience by working in various positions across different Tata companies. In Tata was appointed chairman of Tata Sons, leading the conglomerate into a new era of growth and expansion. Under his leadership, the Tata Group diversified its business interests across various sectors such as automobiles, information technology, telecommunications, steel, hospitality, and more. Ratan Tata played a pivotal role in transforming Tata Motors into a global automobile manufacturer and acquiring prestigious brands like Jaguar Land Rover. During his tenure as chairman, Tata focused on innovation, ethical business practices, and social responsibility. He emphasized the importance of corporate social responsibility and spearheaded several initiatives to uplift communities and promote sustainable development. His commitment to philanthropy led to the establishment of the Tata Trust, which support various social causes in India. Ratan Tata retired as chairman of Tata Sons but continued to be actively involved in various business ventures and philanthropic activities. He serves as an advisor to several organizations and invests in startups through his venture capital fund, Ratan Associates. Throughout his career, Ratan Tata has received numerous accolades and recognition for his contributions to the business world and society at large. He has been honored with prestigious awards, including the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan, two of India's highest civilian awards. Ratan Tata's leadership and vision have made a significant impact on the Tata Group and the Indian business landscape. His dedication to ethical business practices, innovation, and philanthropy continues to inspire generations.